Do you know what is Test and Go scheme in Thailand and how to book a nice Test and Go hotel? Firstly, open etrip.com app. If you haven't had it on your phone, you may click the link below in the description box to get it. The Thai government has sought to simplify the traveling process by their new policy to establish Test and Go Hotels Bangkok, which is the quarantine protocol that allows travelers to maintain safety and not have to be fully restricted for a week or more. So click on hotels and search for the following Test and Go hotels if you need one. The first one is Carlton Hotel Sukhumvit. The second one is Novotel Siam Square. The third one is W22 by Gurasari Hotel. Simply click on the offer and you may book the hotel right away.